How to update network drivers for Windows 11. So let me start with the video. Okay, first we need to go into the system informations. Just go to the search for system information here. Just go this tab. Here you can see your system information. So this is your baseboard product. This is your unique code. Okay, now we need to go in the browser. Okay, come to the browser and search code here. Okay, you need to search this code on browser, so you can see this code, the or your motherboard company link, official links. You need to check your company also here, and now just open it. Now we need to go in support. Here under the support you can see the drivers. So this is for gigabyte. So maybe if you want directly go to the drivers, so you can search for drivers after that code. So you can directly land to the drivers page. Here you need to select that LAN drivers. Okay, maybe in your source maybe have here the tab, maybe LAN tab, something drivers tab. So you need to just search for LAN. So here in my case I have this Realtek LAN drivers. Okay, so you can download from here. This is updated drivers. You can see the date. So just download updated drivers from here. After download you can install it. Okay, this is a manual method. You can directly install from your motherboard that company. Okay, and another method is you go to the device manager. Okay, and here go to the view and just click show hidden device. Okay, and find that network adapter, and here you can see in my motherboard we have that Realtek LAN driver. Okay, so this is my driver. Just right click on it and go to the update drivers and search for automatic drivers for on internet. So in my case I have already installed this driver, so my driver is already updated. So you can also search update from your window drivers update from your window updates. Okay, for that you need to go in settings, go to the window updates and make sure your window updates is enabled, and you can also check manually from here. Once it's updated you can go here for search update driver on window updates. Okay, or you can go to the browse computer drivers. Here go to the let me pick up from list, and here you need to select that one by one. First select first and just click on next, it will be reinstalled. Then come again this window again and select second and just next, click on next, it will be reinstalled. Okay, so this is for you can use the device manager for reinstall your that driver, or search from your window updates and internet. And if you want to download directly from internet, so you can come to your motherboard company manufacturer, and here you can search for that your driver and download it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.